Okay, it's been a while. Hello and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Arnav, and here I have 5 useful websites that I have been personally using for a while now. So after the 5 websites, I'll be sharing 2 bonus websites that it's all right. It's not for everyone, but for some users, it might be useful. So let's get started. Okay, so in this particular video, if you notice me not looking at the camera for too long in between, just know that I have to keep an eye on the screen so I can navigate through the websites as easily as I can. Anyways, let's get started. The first website is a replacement for a very famous website called Canva. So if you don't know what Canva is, you can use it to make e-invites, online cards, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, whatever you want. But some of the features on that website are paid, and I don't really like to pay for stuff like that. So what this does is, okay, so it basically does everything Canva does, but for free. But there's one little thing about this. It's not as fancy as Canva, but it does the job pretty well. I'll be making this video's thumbnail using this website. I haven't done it yet, but I will. Okay, so that's pretty much it about this website. Moving on. The second website is called Text to Handwriting. The name pretty much says it all. You paste in any text on this, so this is how the website comes in. You've got about 8 handwriting options. You can choose whichever is pretty much similar to your handwriting and accordingly do it. You can change the font size. I'll do it about 24. Okay, maybe 28. Yeah, and this is how it comes by default. So what I'll do is, this is my script from my previous podcast, Neuralink versus Metaverse. I'll be copying a few lines from here. Just so you know, everything I'm showing is right in front of my eyes. So you see, handwriting 1 is not really like my handwriting, so I can change it to handwriting 2. Okay, this looks a bit like my handwriting. It's bad. It's bad. It's way worse than this. Anyways, you can change your ink color to black, to red. I'll keep it blue. You got only one page size right now. It's A4, but everyone uses A4, so it's absolutely fine. Get this out, and click here to see generated image. All right, there you have a final result. Now you see they've added some shadows on the bottom. So what happens is, when you click a picture of a document yourself, you do block some light with your body or whatever's in front of you, or even your phone. So this makes it look really natural, and I have used this a lot in the last 2 years, 2020 and 2021 actually, because we had to submit some assignments, and usually we just had to copy paste it from a website, but writing the whole thing was really annoying, so I used to do this a lot. Yeah. Okay, you can't really do anything about it right now, in case you know, because I'm not a school student anymore. The third website is my personal favorite. It's called Tiny Wow. Okay, so what it does is, it's an file editing and converter app. You can do a lot of stuff on this. You can edit PDFs. I'll just show you what you can do. These are the options you can use for a PDF. Just see. You can convert it. You can rotate PDFs. You can delete a particular page, PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF. You can even split, compress, merge, or edit, or even create a new one if you want. Then we got options with images. You got background remover, restore photos, profile photo maker. You could just, this is too many. I'll run out of breath if I keep saying each one of them. You've got options to write. You've got options to edit videos. You can compress them, your video to GIFs. You can trim them, MP4 to MP3. Now, what happened was, a few days ago, I had to submit a video assignment of a presentation, but what happened was, the format I recorded it in didn't really support Google Drive, or my teacher couldn't access, my professor couldn't access it. So I had to convert it using one of these features. Yeah. I guess it was MOV to MO4 or MKV. It was MKV to MP4 as much as I remember. So yeah, you when you convert it to MP4, you can access it in pretty much every device. So keep this in your bookmark. It's a really helpful website for for office people, for students, pretty much anyone. Third website, I've been using it for about I don't know, 6 to 8 months. It has helped me out a bit. It's called Muscle Wiki. So for anyone who does not go to a gym or does not have a personal trainer, this is really helpful. So what it does is gives you a full anatomy of what muscles you should work on or you could work on. For me, I personally need to focus on my shoulders and chest a lot. So let's go for shoulders. And yeah, my net is slightly slow today for some reason. Okay. So it even shows you a visual demonstration of what workouts you could do, how you should do it, the right way to do it. And yeah, there's like steps written under the video, there's names, and pretty much that's how you get workouts done. And there's options on top. There's dumbbells, there's barbell, even body weight, like without any equipments and stuff. You got stretches. So this is me. The dumbbell option and barbell options are usually for like people who work out at home. God, what's wrong with me? So yeah, I've been using this website and there are some changes in my body right now. Not too many, but give me a few more months. Anyways, this is the final website. It's called Toffee Share. Okay, I'll just do it from the beginning. So what you do is you can transfer files from your PC or your phone to any other device. There was another website in this particular list that was honestly way better than Toffee Share, but this one's not too bad either. The website was called Snapdrop, but for some reason the website doesn't work anymore. I mean, the servers are down, the app is banned. I don't know what's going on. So with Toffee Share, what you do is either you can drag and drop or you can select. What I'm gonna do is I have my metaverse podcast thumbnail. I'll be dropping it here. Guess what? With if you scan this QR code, you'll get this file. Okay, I might have to blur this. No, you know what? If you want, you can just download it from this particular thing. Now, what you can do is, if you want to cancel the transfer or if you want people to stop accessing this, all you have to do is leave. Yeah, and it's done. So those were the 5 main websites that I wanted to share with you guys, with you. So now it's time for the bonus. First is, how secure is my password? Now, of course, when you type in a new password, you just know that it's strong or weak. But in case you're confused if this is a strong enough password, just type it in. Okay. So it's a pretty simple website, and yeah, the color in the background pretty much shows if it's easy or not. I mean, it's easy to hack or not, whatever. And you know what, this is for a very specific audience who's not really sure about their passwords. And the last one, it's for some people who want to experience gaming. It's called ev.io, and it's basically a web-based version of Valorant. It's somewhat like Valorant. So what's wrong with my PC is that I can't really play games on it anymore. My laptop will die. So at times, if I feel like I want to play Valorant, ev.io is the solution. Yeah, it works pretty much like Valorant. It looks like that, but it does not take up any extra space on your laptop or PC, whatever you have. Basically, it's a perfect game for potato PCs. Anyways, forget about it. So, in case you might think, that's it for this series. Yeah, it's a series. I'll be uploading more videos in this particular series of useful websites, and I hope to upload the second video of this series by the time I'm at least, I guess, 40. So I don't upload that often. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next podcast. It's gonna be good. Okay, it's gonna be good. Just stay tuned for it.